Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special treat for you. We'll be diving into the world of Chinese cuisine and exploring one of its most beloved dishes, Chinese spring rolls. But that's not all, we'll also be sharing some fascinating unknown facts about these delicious treats. So let's get started. To make Chinese spring rolls, you'll need a few key ingredients. The star of the show is the spring roll wrapper, which is a thin pastry dough that becomes wonderfully crispy when fried. It's the perfect vessel for our flavorful filling. Now, the filling can vary depending on personal preferences, but it typically consists of a combination of vegetables, such as cabbage, carrots, bean sprouts, and mushrooms. You can also add cooked meat like shrimp, chicken, or pork to enhance the flavor. Here's a little known fact: spring rolls are often enjoyed during Chinese New Year, as they symbolize wealth and prosperity. The golden color of the fried rolls represents gold bars, and the elongated shape is said to resemble gold ingots. So, they're not just delicious, they also bring good fortune. Once your spring rolls are filled, it's time to fry them to perfection. Make sure the oil is hot, around 350 degrees Fahrenheit, to ensure they become crispy and golden brown. And remember, patience is key, don't overcrowd the pan as it can lower the oil temperature. No spring roll is complete without a dipping sauce. In Chinese cuisine, the most common sauce is made from a combination of soy sauce, rice vinegar, garlic, and chili sauce. It adds a tangy and savory flavor that complements the crispy rolls perfectly. And voila! Our Chinese spring rolls are ready to be enjoyed. Just look at that beautiful golden color and crispy texture. You can serve them as an appetizer, a snack, or even as part of a larger meal. They're incredibly versatile and loved by many around the world. Now, before we wrap up, let's share one more fascinating fact. Did you know that spring rolls actually originated in China over 2,000 years ago? They were initially made to celebrate the arrival of spring and were traditionally filled with fresh vegetables harvested during that season. And that's a wrap on our exploration of Chinese spring rolls. We hope you enjoyed learning about this popular dish and its intriguing history. Give them a try in your own kitchen, and don't forget to let us know how they turn out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.